Hi, everybody. Welcome to Week 5, Module 5, Managing Teams and Conflict Management. We touched on these topics briefly in the Essentials class, so this week we'll go into a little more depth to help you be effective at managing and leading teams and conflict. So we're going to be looking at 2 different chapters in the textbook, and you have materials for your journal. There are 2 articles and 2 videos. So the discussion board is asking you to take a look at how the Mayo Clinic uses Teams. So I have a link here for you, and then this is the link if it's not working for you, that describes the Mayo Clinic's use of Teams. I had no idea before putting this class together that as early as 1910, Dr. Mayo preached the importance of teamwork. So when you click on the case, it has a variety of different pages, links to ideas, links to interviews or videos of people who work at the Mayo Clinic. So click your way through. You don't have to read every page or every video. Click around so you get a good sense of the case and answer the questions about how the Mayo Clinic has used teamwork. How does it make Mayo Clinic more effective? How would you select the right people? And how do the lessons from a hospital generalize into the business environment? So your written assignment this week, since we already looked at the different approaches to managing conflict, this week for the conflict management chapter, take a look at the suggestions about negotiation. So the written assignment, so this is an individual assignment written by you, seen by me, is to develop a plan for a specific negotiation using concepts from the chapter. Specifically, I've suggested that you write about planning to negotiate a higher salary, but if that's not something that's going to come up soon in your life, you can choose another negotiation if you're buying a house or a car, or negotiating for a raise. No, that is a raise. A new job, for example. Whatever negotiation you want to use is fine here. And then finally, the journal. This week, the principle about leadership is empowering and holding others accountable. So you have a couple readings and videos. Here's a specific example of Marriott and how they try to enhance customer service. So if you click on the video, fast forward to 26 minutes up to 33, or you can watch the whole video if you want to, and answer the following questions. Evaluate Marriott's attempts to empower their employees, and evaluate your own organization or manager. Do you feel empowered? And then finally, how can you empower others? So that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions.